continuation of the hazard characterization since the file name was not changed. So let me go back. So here again, so let's save the feature file. Save features. So instead of geopackage, let's have SU shapefile. And our file name is hazard characterization. Save. Let's have the UTM zone 51N. Then okay. Overwrite file. So this is the saved file. So let me hide the dissolved. So with this F6, so these are the file. We can perform our symbology here. Okay, symbology. So let's have categorize based on the susceptibility. Okay, classify in terms of its susceptibility: high, low, moderate, none, and possible landslide, debris accumulation zone. So apply. Okay, so these are the area. Okay, or we could also change the color based on this file, based on this. So let's again change the symbology. Okay, so let's have the high susceptibility. Let's have this color red. Then low to be yellow. Let's pick color to with this yellow. Oh. Okay, let's just yellow. Okay, let's have this yellow. Oh, there's no standard color. Choose color. This is not yellow. Okay, then moderate would be violet. Then none. Now there's no color none, so let's have this to be white. And possible colored here is also red, but let's change the color. Instead of red, let's have this one, this blue. Apply. Okay. Now this one, it is quite similar with the coloring of the base map that was obtained from NAMRIA. Okay. So thank you.